Welcome dear student. Today we shall start with a new lesson, that is environmental management. And student, this is a video of class 9 and part 1. Let's start the video. So in this chapter our first topic is weather and climate. Let's learn about it. So first we are going to learn about weather. So what is a weather? An atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. And atmospheric conditions depend upon a variety of factors like temperature, pressure, sunlight, visibility, and etc. Okay, so all these are together called as a weather. We frequently express our opinion about the weather by making statements, right? Like today it is too cold or it is very hot today. So this is nothing but a weather. And weather depends upon the prevailing conditions of the air. That means at present the situation of the air is are depending upon the So weather depend upon the present situation, prevailing situation or conditions of the air. So this is the weather. Now next our topic is climate. So the climate of a particular region is the average, right? It is the average of daily readings of the various weather related parameters recorded for several years. That means about temperature, about pressures, right? So this is a climate. So climate is the average daily readings of various weather related parameters, right? And hence climate is a long term predominant conditions of the atmosphere. So our next topic is weather related or climatic factor. That means on these factor weather and climates are depends. Let's see. So here one chart is given, that is weather related or climatic factor, and these are the different parameters or different factors of the weather or climate. So first is the atmospheric pressure, clouds. We are starting from right hand. So the first is atmospheric pressure, then clouds, rainfall, temperature, sunlight, visibility, and humidity. Now humidity is the presence of moisture or water vapor in the air. So this is the humidity. And visibility, that means the whether the it is clear or fog is there during winter season, right? Fog is there. So this is a visibility, and these are the different 7 parameters on which weather or climate is depends. So these all factors, student, you have to keep in your mind. Now next topic is changes in weather. So let's learn about it. So climate does not change continuously, right? Climate does not change continuously. And climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. Thus, we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. So this is a basic difference between the weather and climate, that weather is related to a specific location only and a specific time, but for a short time, and whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. So this is a basic difference between weather and climate. And changes in the weather may occur for a short period of time, whereas changes in the climate takes place slowly over a much longer duration. So climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter, as well as our occupation. That means these all our basic needs are depends on the climate only. Next is climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India. Now agrarian means we know that in our India the major occupation of people is agriculture. So this is the agrarian country. That means the major occupation of India is agriculture. So for this agrarian country like India, climate plays a very important role, and various climatic factors like directions and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during the construction of runways of airport and seaports, huge bridges and skyscrapers, that means tall buildings. So to construct all these runways, seaports and huge bridges and skyscrapers or tall buildings, all the different parameters of climate is kept in mind during the construction. While ascertaining the climate of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important. That means while finding out the situation of a climate, the review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important. And most countries in the world have established meteorology department for making and recording such observation. Now meteorology department is a branch of science which and related to the atmosphere, study of atmosphere, okay, is done in the meteorology departments. And these meteorology departments have observatories which are equipped with modern instrument and technology just to observe the atmosphere. Alright, if present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic conditions, we can predict or we can determine or we can find out the climatic changes of the future. However, as climate is a net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. And forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and of limited nature. However, where climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid, that means fast, making forecast is very difficult. That means to forecast the climate or to determine or to predict the climate, what happens, the climatic changes should be slow, then it will be easy to forecast the climate of that nature or that area. But if the climate will changes very rapidly or very fast, so it is difficult to predict the climate of that region. Now here we have the importance of weather in the living world. So let's see one by one. So daily weather as also long-term climatic conditions influence human lifestyle directly or indirectly, and land, water bodies, plants and animals collectively form the natural environment on earth, and this environment is responsible for the development of organisms. The climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupations and lifestyle of the people of that region. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people. Third point is salinity of marine water. Salinity means salt, presence of salt in the marine water. Formation of oceanic current, water cycle, etc. are all related to various weather and climatic factors. So these all depends on the various climatic factors. Fourth point is various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth's crust, that means inside the earth. And climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of the soil. Microbes in the soil play an important role in formation of organic material. That means if microorganisms are there in the soil, they play an important role in the formation of organic material. That means compound. Organic material means compound which contains carbon. And this process depends upon various climatic factors like temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, visibility, sunlight, all these different factors. And thus it is very clear that the study of meteorology is very important from the viewpoint of human life. So climate and weather is very important or they play very important role in our daily life also. So student, this was all about this video. I hope you all have understood very well. And next part of this lesson we can continue in our next session. Thank you. A very beautiful climate.